Hello! In this video, you will learn how to make a deposit on the Antares platform. Remember that in order to make a deposit to purchase an investment package on the platform, you need to have an account. If you are not yet an independent business partner of Antares, then watch our video on how to register in 4 simple steps. After registering on the platform, log into your personal account and go to the dashboard menu. Scroll down a bit. Select the Start Wallet from the My Accounts section and click Top Up Balance. You can top up your balance using Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To do this, select the currency, read Terms of Use, and click the Interchange button. You will automatically be redirected to Interchange, our partner exchange service. There you will find a link to the wallet, to which you will need to transfer funds in order to top up the balance. Copy it and use it to transfer funds from your Bitcoin wallet. You can also use a QR code. Scan it and you will be taken to your wallet, where the transaction wallet will already be indicated. Funds will be credited within a few minutes, after 6 network confirmations. The wallet is valid for 30 minutes only. If you have not made a transfer during this time, you will have to request a new wallet. Refresh the page in order to do it. You must request a new wallet for each new transfer. The exchange rate is fixed at the time of receipt of the transfer confirmation. It is recommended that you transfer an additional 5% because the price of BTC may go down during your transfer. On Interchange, you can also calculate the transfer amount by comparing the number of Bitcoin and at the bottom of the Interchange page. Best of luck!